Hello everybody, this is Sparkso Gaming, and today we're going to be unboxing Hercules. Yeah. H4. And let's do it. So what's this?
Jeez, that's hard. That's hard.
Okay, I'll grab some scissors. Jeez.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay.
10,000 100 minutes later. You don't need scissors.
You do. I'll hit your hands when you take it out. Alright. Dude. The moment I got my first ever Beyblade and Scouter, I just ripped him out. Like, it was nothing.
Do you know they're making a shark launcher?
That they are?
That goes with the newly colored Emperor Formulas.
Oh yeah, I've seen the new colored Emperor Formulas. I saw it at Target.
Look at this. No, it's not at Target. Oh, that's the Rip Fire. Look at the This is the cool thing with that too. You see these things? Go up and down to get better attack. Sorry, you can't see it. Then I can. The main attack contact point. Go up.
Okay, sounds like I got it. This tip is pretty good.
Eternal, a yellow Eternal. Clayton, they can't see it.
They can't. Where is it? The camera's right here, right?
Oh.
So it's like
That's too close. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Eternal and 12, which you've seen before. It comes on Buddy Longinus.
okay.
Let's put them together. We're probably going to do some test battles on Extremely Awesome Clayton's channel, so.
Okay.
Are they tight?
Yeah. Let me try hand spinning him. Pretty good. Please right spin. Okay. Let's get our arena and test them out.
Let me see.
Wait,
So,
names.
oh, God. The slopes, they're really tight for like a Hasbro Beyblade.
That's turbo launcher.
Geez, that did not go last place.
I remember
Do you know how my video made a video and I said Valkesh and Emperor Formulas were Hasbro's best? Well, I was wrong. This guy is.
Like, we're gonna edit that out, okay? And so I thought that Valkesh and like Formius were the best.
I mean, that's why I made a video and I said that.
And like that would easily Hercules. Let's try to launch our shit and give it here.
It will fall off the table.
Probably, but YOLO. Wow.
They can't see it.
They can't.
Just leave it over. Just barely, yeah. I'm gonna watch the friction of it.
Is that good? He's really wobbly, that's the thing.
I know. Well,
He looks like
that's just called life after death. When he's about to die.
oh god, he just hit the camera.
Sorry.
You edit that out.
Yeah, we'll edit a bunch of stuff out.
Let's add that in the video. But not
So
this.
bye. We'll probably do some more videos. So bye and see you guys on Clayton's channel. Bye.